Now in this question, Cartesian equation is given and we have to write it in the vector equation now. Cartesian equation of the plane is 2x minus 3y plus 5z minus 2 is equal to 0. Now, rewriting the equation as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap dot 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 5k cap minus 2 is equal to 0, where vector r is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Now, what is the reason for it? Reason is, if P be any arbitrary point of the plane with coordinates x, y, z, then vector r is xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. So, we are having xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap is equal to vector r. Now, equation 1 reduces to the vector form as vector r dot 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 5k cap minus 2 is equal to 0. Now, required vector equation of the plane is vector r dot 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 5k cap is equal to 2. Answer.